Akwaba Sonko, the Badwam Ahosepe Jumezido, or Ahosepe for the Frimpong president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Akwaba, the Cafe Badwam. Makacho de say if a baby or easy relaxing or you feel but make your Instagram pictures. Kama or honum is the banana or a dough papa paza ajide Cafe Badwam. Pono as all my hampo is very special. Any most me butumna and you kubi. Ababatina hade bia girls boys need the crown no proposal papa bi called or hade into no bomozina na for when you chejo Cafe Badwam en chana hono ma na tumna babeji wenua the most matina sane pay am babeji menua o hade na maka ndam no in there no or very sad day zama as Ghanaians or Ghana Freedom Party flag bearer mami ekua donko onka yehu bio or ya Ahosepe papa na nanso no ye beyana den ye boss said dey yakopon on fa ne kra nsie na ye move on, life must go on chawale tasi into no and pay as usual no me favorite personality no o hade on chai bia na menye efia mankwata makulu ye kwekọ boy ma wo value no wo show time do ikeza asawa kakra na mami abekada asemi ye hu no on darling factor as a judge impo no se ko socials no dozo a oginizin wo ye papa oti game na se no obo game ni ye okana adwen onsuro nipa onferi nipa so o feel there as no dey no ta damara pepepe no obakano in there me peda me na wo get to know her o se ne ye cheda ye nyim ni ye in there meze Saliman the man himself Abro Sali, good morning.
Adom continue to ministry. Oh, I was very sad, pa.
I'll appear from the way I'm putting
screaming. Because if Obeti me a woody, then we are saying it's not fair because she actually looks like Obia on what problem cry. Was almost and you see tear no near the impression as Anya might be in come. Now so I don't know what happened. I've not gone through the story because I was getting ready to come in afterwards. Yeah.
I reho some powers in my hand. Now so no eja was a day business of the day. Okodo Sally. Tell me can ye won socials no do ye won darling factor as a judge. Since you are the new face Adom TV do. Impono before that no was shown as a panelist. You've been a panelist for so many years. Yeah. When are you Saliman?
Sometimes I so be describe me as a panelist. It limits me. I'm entertainment journalist. In fact, I'm an actual journalist.
Okay.
My reported
nice
as a journalist. I'm a COFO, and the minister said, yes, with Daily Graphic. Showbiz, yes. And
wow.
My friend say I did my attachment to at Ghanaian Times.
Should I call journalism school?
Of course, I'm a trained journalist. Yes.
Wow.
Yes, I am. Now AUCC school na say Momo Kono. Na the African Institute of Journalism and Communication. Okay. Mama Via Boaje is my schoolmate actually.
Can you imagine?
Yes. And see, when I'm so glad they decided saw them because na me me social media and yet because ejuma me yen intino. Sometimes I try to hide myself. More 19 accounts, but the BI is not open to the public. And see, PK ne catch me say no mama. And then they say be back so. Okay. To me be so the thing I mean mostly they say, oh, we didn't know you are here, and people keep saying who is she? See, I'm glad saying no them about. I'm a trained journalist, like I said, you know. Nah, radio ni TV wasn't something that I wanted to do. I always wanted to be just a reporter. No. So that's all that I wanted to do. Wow. Because now me feel a temptation comes with the TV and radio.
Temptation
yeah, in terms of, you know, you are saying that should no, temptation in the sense that we say what na I'm say TV na attractive. Okay. That's why you see a lot of actors and actresses being famous, a lot of opportunities at the bottom way. What I say, some you can't say no, others you can say no. Okay. See, when I was in my 20s and opportunity buy for radio and TV near the, you know, I didn't really grasp it because of the fact that I knew who I was at that time. Ain't bet to say if I'm not mistaken, I bet to say 11 years ago. And me branching off to radio, Dr. Kant, the bar radio. Any idea? But apart from that, and apart from being a journalist, so my marketer, I was friend say enterprise life. Yes, now me turn policies as well. And face to Prom Security, a security company, so that, and so my juma hoda. And I'm in the advertising agent. So whatever that I went to practice in school, no, my I was also the PR for Paradise Entertainment. And I wore 4x4 VIP Mimi Divalish, now Mimi and Danny. We had Miss Bell also there. Ahosepe came through, Kwata Bukutu came through. So I was their PR for 4 solid years.
Nice.
So yes. Yeah. No, not at all. I've been in it for 18 good years now. Yes.
18 years?
Yes.
And now entertainment industry.
Yes. But I say, Saturn now, internet, and very now at TikTok, I've always been this type of person. So when people ask, oh, who is she or Bada Bank, I've always been this loud mouth. No, I will tell you as it is. But the loud at the end is because it's a TikTok. Any other me I make us a TikTok here, they have me and cause me business, no. In a sense, in as much as me pet semen come I don't want to be famous for anything. Wow. That is me. What I say, my religious background, and I'm a Jehovah's Witness, by the way. So my religion, and mommy clear definition of who I need to be. As in say, I should be in the world, but I'm not part of the world. So I live in the world as if, what I say, there was a time that me call back, now my account back. People have actually found me out. Me not close to 69,000.
Wow.
My friend say
followers.
Say friend requests. Okay. And why I me delete the account because I realize I've been found out. You know what's the point? I don't want to be famous.
Intentional.
Of course, I have 19 accounts. Now you say I can't 18 private one. No. Me who throw me, I'll throw you back. And I'm a queen of reality shows. We check reality shows across the world. There's no reality show that I don't watch. We check tennis. We should be anything entertainment. I make sure when it needs to be talked about. Wow. I'll be able to speak about it.
Contrary to what people think, because I kept there about showtime, you know, as a presenter. No, some of the comments I can be more most mana area no. What say there? It chase the clouds just so that a Baba TV presenter another than I don't know if they read some of the
I mean that's what I'm saying. People don't actually know me. Me share camera and me catch you say I don't care about fame and popularity. No, I've been in this for 18 years. I don't care. And you PK na car say me pay one of my social media accounts. I wasn't ready to do it. Wow. But my boss I can. No, was like me.
Now them 18 accounts no ni nyina no wasn't that do.
Debbie.
I don't know on the channel as a session for one.
No, you say a troll account and a burner account. Okay. It's account me do follow near me see all over the world. Okay. Or 3 accounts follow all the reality shows to say Love Island, Big Brother. Okay. Me share BBA. Do you get what I'm saying? And I me what 3 so share internally. And yama.
It is also power.
Me log in, my log out. So me more fan a tablet ni ade nyina. E bi de that society me log in, my log out, log in, my log out. And that's what I do. And also when you are in the BB Niger street and also so people can actually deal on people's talk. See if I decide to follow a person to say na ye di Peregbi, I friend the general we needed to be strong. Today was say me more accounts and go for say or more attacking I will come like a bead back attacking them and all of that. You know, one thing that I've also realized and they say when you see a lot of hate comments, don't think it's a general thing. It's not a general thing because if I can own 19 accounts. So it means that if any negative thing that I see under my comment or under a post about me who say will be pay to me create 15 accounts, one person. It doesn't show, and I said doesn't mean say a lot of people hate you.
So different accounts.
Of course, I say when people say she's the most hated. No, I'm the most loved. Wow. Who told you I'm the most hated? No. because me and Kasa metna hey, more 19 accounts. 19 accounts are me way. So build they just imagine say Madam Boatma wa fancy door. What try so be through job at me. Na me the 19 accounts about so a. Ube feel it say.
Thank you.
What I say? Ube feel it say. Ube feel easy. So it's not a true representation of say that's what the general public thinks of me and everything. You know, maybe you're cool with that. And I don't like fame. I don't like fame. Just say when I bet to me. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's all. And then when the opportunity came, you know, I thought it was a different territory that I've not tried before. What I said because maybe I'm a school say me ko be my PR, my advertise, my marketing, my journalist, my what I say into broadcasting is something that's my okay. So this is time me personally.
Feeling it than 2 weeks.
It looks like to say the meeting me seat and so as you know an entertainment journalist. You know. I don't see the difference. The difference a woman kakra say you are not able to share your opinion about some of the issues I'm last week Saturday say the ya na Kwame Eugene na no kame Kwame Eugene compare Empress you know gift Adoye Joyce Blessing. I thought it was very childish, very unnecessary. Yes, it was childish for him to have said that because these ladies are your people that you personally handpicked. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you feel one didn't do the work, now we scared and I'm from one man because the songs are your babies. So it was unnecessary, it was childish. Once I were me untouchable. I like him to bit or I love him to bit, but Kwame doesn't know when to speak. You understand? You know, so as same way, you know, or person one campa ka woye ubia woye smarter. Ko betimi a yashe presenter, a pundit, and now being sa amun pakwaka. It doesn't have to come from you. Okay. Because esa two ladies, you know, umama baako ebeye say omoye more powerful than the other. But mind you, they are two separate individuals that have different strengths and different weaknesses. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because
the man himself.
Exactly, because a lot of people also have perception about even Watch Me song, you know, being sung by Empress. Me who comment on social media say, oh, you made the emfatano. Do you understand? Empress is my person. Do you understand what I'm saying? Me nim the capabilities, but people are also saying that. So when say we try say, obe pinch back against one another. There are some loopholes be so Empress people also bring it out. What if supporters of Joyce Blessing are not happy? They try to also pinpoint say, oh, say. Do you understand what I'm saying? It is if he had any misgivings and dissatisfaction, and I think the best thing that incubate me and say, or the mama never cast our back door. Na mama na catch and so will be a me hiamboa because and you know sikabe mu akwa me wujibi. It's why not push it with the resources I want to make it, but not to say it.
Matter say, and it's about you.
Yeah.
Into no, may you forget? May you forget to Kwame Eugene?
Yeah.
How does it feel to be Saliman? I'm a question. I paid the baby. Maybe for the question.
It doesn't feel anything. I'm just a normal girl. And I also because say I deal with my head for 18 years now.
Wow.
The social media craze and then a day we now back but I've always done that. And it's so different from my persona. Anybody who knows who grew up with me, my mom, my sister, they know that I don't have filter. Unless you tell me, Sally, with a Mr.
Okay.
A man in P. You get it? And not the I would, and I said, you have to make a so with a serious assembly. Don't let anybody hear it. I will keep it. I'm also very loyal like that. I'm able to
keep it secret also.
I'm able to do that.
Okay.
I'm able to do that. But guess what? If you are able to tell somebody your secret, it's no longer a secret.
It's said, "No, because the secret is when to keep." No, the abra was that.
But what I'm saying is, I will not run to go and say tell anybody. But what I'm trying to let you know is say it's not even advisable. So be share your personal secret with anyone. That's why it's called a secret. it should be with you till the day you die.
Martin.
Yeah.
And you know, stars are like, you know, what can they be and you want issues? Today be and I'm a Mark Brown, Shatawale Munazi. This Saturday, when they make some very profound comments, say it's possible they be Shatawale on the show, even though. Yeah. And then there was one on Nanama Mark Brown, being Kumawood favorite
princess, yeah.
Kumawood princess, no quite.
Yeah.
Or you're not quite there, anyone way issue.
You see, I don't understand why people get that, and I think say omu followers, they don't understand what showbiz is about. What you say? There has been a number of occasions I'm praising both personalities, but omunko for no will not allow it as the one that of course what them person mention. I say I've said pretty good things about Nanama Mark Brown. I've said pretty good things about Shatawale. They are not people that I hate. Hate is a strong word for a Christian like me. Are you being serious? Mikita Bible, Namakase may draw energy and inspiration on hating people. I mean, who does that? I have no hate. When you have hate, ewo. Do you understand what I'm saying? You know? And Kosumpo, as a friend said, what's my... You know me personally. You know how I am. I don't hate no human being. If I tell you my peace of mind, I move. I don't even remember. People that I live with, they know that. Me can't say me then we move on. Why mistake waha? I'm not that type of person. And then I don't cry, yes, no. I don't live by that. Okay. If I feel certain type of way about Nanama Mark Brown, I say it at that time. It's done. What they decide to do with it is entirely their own problem. Whether they want to hate, whether they want to draw people to hate me, is on them. Okay, but anyone in terms of them? I have not met Nanama Mark Brown. I've been in spaces that, from what I was told, I might be wrong. Say, what I say? She felt uncomfortable. People told me, she's not the one that told me and left the place. Do you understand what I'm saying? For Shatawale, I've not been in the same space with him for, the longest time. Do you get what I'm saying? But I've been in two places with Mark Brown that people will walk up to me and come and say that, oh, she saw you and she left. You get what I'm saying? Oh, okay. Yes, but me, I don't care though. Do you understand what I'm saying? She doesn't need to be my friend. Okay. You understand what I'm saying? Or no vibe. Of course, I don't have an iota of hate. In fact, my husband is one of my very good friends in this industry. Nice. Maxwell has been my friend for almost like 16 years now. Wow. Maxwell, Ahosepe, Obuo, that I have like we've been together for a very long time. You know, I will not hate a friend, say a person, but what they are not able to understand, they say you can't farm food them all the time. That's something that they need to understand. If they want to be farm food, they should pay for it. That's PR. Okay. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you want people to farm fool you, or your matter come and they know how to garnish it, do you understand? Just like the Nigerians and other places, they pay for people to do damage control on the things that goes against them, no? Do you understand? If you want that to be done for you all the time, you have to pay. But so long as I'm in this industry and nobody is paying me to do their dirty work and PR for them, I'll speak nothing but the absolute truth. In the before show, then you also say the show to buy a hot pa. Then you. Ofilu basa. The Marana, be pay me who the city host for Showtime. Here for na Showtime loko. The direction for Showtime, completely different from also every host and the energy that they bring on board. Maybe the end they fun. But you definitely have a feel of me all the like 2 weeks aqua and before have seen me very sober, sobering and all of that. It will not be like that. Hey. No, my boss switch it. No, of course, things will be switched. You are part of me now. You know, but you are pretending to them that you don't know. Because I was enjoying the Sally that is not. No, but I can bring the two personalities, Sally Frimpong and Sally Man. Do you understand what I'm saying? I mean, when I'm done with Sally Frimpong, Sally Man can come and play a role. I will switch back to Sally Frimpong. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, that is. I think that's the spice that I will have over you know, the other, you know, presenters are Omoye entertainment shows, you know, it's having multiple personalities. I have 2 personalities on the show. So they should expect, say, and yet they're seated asking questions. No man, okay, coming here, no. Sometimes if I have to, show me, meka kakra.
You know, Saliman, because they can put there, if you the industry, no, Korana.
It's all over the world. We are saying pen or say what I say, and you cry, and you say you cry. That's how it is. Fanatism, I say everything. Am I truthful? Because if say Shatawale has been insulting women's vagina, and you see bunch of women praising him, it's a sick, you know, situation. You understand what you are a woman. Somebody insulting another woman's vagina. And you are hailing, hey, wale. No, you are not normal. You get what I'm saying? So we should get some people that will be able to draw the line. So yes, you're a fantastic businessman, a fantastic musician. What's the impression here now? Shatawale has done a lot of good in this industry. On Nebema artists, the industry, who the worth of their works, because he's able to charge. I always give it to him, but it does not negate the fact say oye nyama enko ya and what say enka. Oh, I don't know mun to mean decipher no. Say be a mefa ne say Shatawala kan ba ho asem na enye papa. Na senka me buy ka me a me your ban beton ka say ade na Shatawala aye. Yes, some working kind of son. I'm expecting say and bar population etna Ghana higher more than men. A best support to say, wait dear sister, waka sama ye. Now so omuna the same person trying to turn us you know around each other.
It brings to mind Nanseyana na obi cultural letter ma French embassy.
Yes.
Concerning Sakode performance bi no kokaye wa abuchi. The obonyum against women.
Yes.
What opinion what the master no here?
I like that.
That's the neutral letter.
Yeah, I like that. And from what I gathered, you know, sa show na ambado wankoye mbua. Wankoye. I mean that's how it's supposed to be.
Oh,
because
really?
yes, because what Sarkodie did to Yvonne Nelson after or writing in the memoir about the truth for near the calling her a street girl no near the really street girl. No be this street girl nanti. There's also a street boy. And I dem because what I say. It's you know yes people will say so oh, it should have been a private man. No. Ono Yvonne putti light on a lot of topical issues.
I see.
Abortion. Do you understand what I'm saying? What women go through. Abra your gender no so no. Try as much as possible to lie to their kids. The whereabouts of Omumofra. People are going through that.
Wow.
It is you draw light on that topic. Would you understand? They say be anko ye amount any idea. As a man, no, you take a stock because who bad girl. To bad girl and will be koja see hospital allegedly and left her to her own fate. Anka be feeling same.
You know, Sally, no, I am more chance.
Yeah.
Na enye wo fans nkasa. Invite one more show time this weekend.
Say no. Adi ebema we ni agi show time no say. Multiple personalities in the beba. Me, Sally Frimpong, and then Saliman. Also, so no, and go 4 person who follow me. In fact, Abra me be me the 2 who say menya me be me social media adi anymore. Request a me nyano. Sometimes me cry and I'm like, oh, should I accept it or not? But I'm trying so much to accept it as and when I can. And you can go on all the social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram. You bet me and follow me as Sally Frimpong. But you both say my art name no Sally Kuku. What you say? And then on TikTok to is Sally from 84. And then what say? Follow me, whatever that you want to say, bring it on. Showtime, so follow it on all the Adom platforms. You know, a friend say Facebook here Adom TV extra, TikTok Adom TV, Instagram Adom TV. Follow us. Forward join bra. I feel so there's a segment. Yede to our artists and our personality be or baba biara no. Who bet me a question where we reach that person and mention your name and where your location is. It be among the people. Who bet me a bisa questions, but it will be fun, it will be